Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce. This is a Deal of the Week video. If you are interested in an amazing video creator and editor, stay with me. You can create doodles with this editor. In fact, you can doodle anything. You can also create cartoons, both 2D and 3D. As you may know, doodles and cartoons are the hottest and most effective videos. I am Mike. I am your artificial text-to-speech video host. I am built into the editor with easy access. I am one of 10 voices that are available along with many other language options. Also built in is a media library. And the editor works with just about any format. Also included are 2D icons and 3D objects, stickers, emojis, social media templates and amazing transitions. You will be surprised at how easy and fun video creation can be. The Deal of the Week will do much more for you. For example, you can do animated logos, animated presets, custom animations, animated SVGs, looping animations, circle animation, infographics, and stunning text effects. You can create scroll stoppers, stomp videos, tablet animation, multiple masks, and more. At the moment, you can get all this for a one-time cost. The editor is CreateStudio. The cost is $67. For more details, click the link in the description. For more details, click the link in the description.